So I took these pre-made polymers that you can get, you know, from China or wherever for not that much, and I cut it with my tissue blade until they were covered in big facets. Thing is, there's still some color and pattern, but the facets are big and chunky, so don't look at my fingers. They're kind of sharp. So I wanted big facets, but I didn't like it looking all sharp. Anyway, I painted it like a dark charcoal, painted them, a dark charcoal, and then over that white. And then I sanded them. And I got this cool effect. So the sharp points are sanded down, revealing a little bit of color here and there. And God, my thumbs look like Frankenstein fingers. Anyway, I thought that was really cool. I took all those little shavings on a whim. I mixed them with some clear, translucent, not clear, translucent. I textured with this wire brush, painted, sanded, buffed with rag, and look what I got. How cool are they? Like, they kind of even remind me a little bit of Hebron beads because the little striations I got mimic a bit that wound glass look. And one thing I found was to hold the bead in your non-dominant hand, which mine is my left, like most people's, and then you can kind of move it as your right hand, your dominant hand, holds the sandpaper and just gives it, I can't hold my iPad and this at the same time, but with your dominant hand, you'll be like, and you'll just rub off little tiny patches as you move it around. You won't end up sanding it down too much anywhere. And it really gives you all the variation and subtlety. You'll be able to see it too, because if you're holding it with your right hand, going like this, you have to turn it and look, rub, turn, you know, and your tendency is going to be to rub a few times. Whereas if you're holding it with your left hand, your right hand can, as you see it, can change the spots that you're going, and you get a much more subtle effect. So this is what I did with these not very great looking pre-made beads, because I love to cheat.